How to fix the login errors in One Mobile Banking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to resolve the login errors in the One Mobile Banking application, here is the process to do so. First and foremost, make sure you have a stable internet connection and it is functioning properly. You can even switch between the mobile data and the Wi Fi. Once that is done, you can check the application again. For the iPhone users, you can go to iPhone storage and offload the One Mobile Banking. For Android users, long press the One Mobile Banking application and go to App Info. After that, scroll down to Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. After that, you can clear all the background applications and then update the application. After updating, restart the device once, and once that is done, you can again start the application and it should probably work fine. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.